Hi, friends. We have a really fun game for you to play. The game is called War. Now, some of you may have played this game before. This is a really fun game to play with a partner. So if mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or big brother or sister wants to play with you, this is a super fun partner game that you get to play. So what you're going to do is you're both going to put your cards down at the same exact time. So you would say 1, 2, 3, plop your cards down. Okay, 5 and an 8. You're going to look, what is the greater number? The greater number, who would Greater Gator want to eat? Greater Gator would want to chomp, chomp, chomp the number 8. Greater Gator would want to eat that bigger number. He would want to eat the 8. You don't have to do the symbol, but just for fun. Greater Gator would want to eat the 8. So the person who throws down the higher card, the one that's greater, the one that Greater Gator would want to eat, gets the cards. Let's do it again to practice. Ready? So again, 1, 2, 3. Oh, the 10 is bigger. So the person that threw down the 10 gets both cards. Friends, you can play this game as much as you want. You can use our cards like this that we sent to you, the printed out cards, or you can use a deck of playing cards. If you have a deck of playing cards, you could use those too, or any other kind of numbered cards that you have. So again, when you throw the numbers down, the person that has the higher card gets both cards. We hope you enjoy our game, and we'll see you back here for science.